Here's the full video script for the topic, differences between direct costs and variable costs, matching your infographic slide. Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between direct costs and variable costs in a simple and easy way. Number 1. Direct costs are expenses directly linked to a specific product or project, whereas variable costs are expenses that change according to production volume. Number 2. Direct costs can be traced easily to a cost object, whereas variable costs may or may not be directly traceable. Number 3. Direct costs mainly relate to a particular department, product, or service, whereas variable costs relate to overall production activity. Number 4. Direct materials and direct labor are common examples of direct costs, whereas raw materials, packaging, and sales commissions are examples of variable costs. Number 5. Direct costs may remain fixed for a short period, whereas variable costs continuously fluctuate with output levels. Number 6. Direct costs are used for cost allocation purposes, whereas variable costs are used for analyzing production behavior. Number 7. Direct costs help determine the exact cost of a product, whereas variable costs help calculate total operating expenses. Number 8. Direct costs are commonly used in job costing systems, whereas variable costs are commonly used in marginal costing systems. Number 9. Direct costs may include both fixed and variable elements, whereas variable costs only include expenses that vary with activity. Number 10. Direct costs are assigned directly to units produced, whereas variable costs increase or decrease depending on sales or production quantity. Number 11. Direct costs are important for pricing decisions, whereas variable costs are important for break-even analysis. Number 12. Direct costs usually focus on traceability, whereas variable costs focus on cost behavior. Number 13. Direct costs are often identified at the production stage, whereas variable costs are monitored throughout operational activities. Number 14. Direct costs can exist even if production is low, whereas variable costs reduce significantly when production decreases. Number 15. Direct costs provide accuracy in product costing, whereas variable costs provide flexibility in financial planning and budgeting. So, these were the major differences between direct costs and variable costs. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.